Wi-Fi router has been configured. Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain you how to install and configure this LAPCARE 4G Wi-Fi router. It will work in both the Android, iOS, tablet and laptop. And this is the MRP for 4299 is there. Bandwidth 40 MHz, power antenna, LAN port, LED light and SIM card option is there. Now we are going to unbox it. I will show you what are the things is there inside and how to configure this. I will show you. This is the adapter and LAN cable is there, and this is the Wi-Fi router, 4G Wi-Fi router. In this Wi-Fi router, you can see here there is IP address is there. This is the default IP address and username admin and password is 123456789. But one thing I will show you, this password is not for the login password. This is the Wi-Fi password. Okay, this is your SSID MIFI underscore some number will be there, and the password, Wi-Fi password, you should enter 120, and this username is not for the Wi-Fi password. Okay, this is the router password. This is username. They will not ask any username. They will only put as password as admin. It will open the login page. Okay. Now I will show you how to configure this. First, you switch on the router. In this, one more feature is there. If you want, you can insert the SIM also. It is only 4G SIM. In the company, they will tell 5G SIM also it will support. You need to check it out. Now I will show you how to configure this Wi-Fi router as extended Wi-Fi router. I will show you. Means if you are already having a Wi-Fi, in this router you can extend your Wi-Fi signal. Okay. First you open the browser. In the browser, need to type the IP address 182.168.100.1. Here need to type password as admin and press enter. It will open the login page. Simply go to the Wi-Fi settings. Wi-Fi settings. In the left hand side, select internet or Wi-Fi and scroll down. Here you will get Wi-Fi hotspot. Simply add this. It will scan your nearest Wi-Fi routers, and this is my Wi-Fi router, Innovative Computer Solutions. Click this and put your password. And click apply. Now the Wi-Fi router, your 4G Wi-Fi router, will be work as an extended Wi-Fi router. Okay. Now you can see here, Innovative Computer Solutions Wi-Fi router has been connected to your 4G Wi-Fi router as extended Wi-Fi router. Means you can add your mobile hotspot also in this situation. And you have one more option is there. If you want to connect the LAN cable through also, you can connect it. But I checked it. In this scenario, the interface is not connecting properly. Because of this, in this router, we connected the Wi-Fi router as a extended wireless router. And also if you want to add a 4G SIM also, it will work. And if you need to change the SSID also, I will show you how to change the SSID. Wi-Fi settings, SSID. If you want to change your Wi-Fi name here, you can change it. And here password also you can change it by, in this router the default password is 120 123456789 the default password. That's it. Okay, if you can, in case if you are getting any errors, you can give a comment, I will update. Okay, thank you.